Hello and welcome to the Grumpy Gobbler channel. My name is Noah, and in today's video I'm going to kind of explain why I changed my awning from the Batwing to this OVS 180. Thanks for coming along. Okay, I'm going to deploy this awning now, and after I deploy it, I'll explain why I switched to this OVS, Overland Vehicle Systems, I think, 180, and got rid of my Batwing. Actually, let me explain that now. So, last weekend, me and June were at a festival, I guess you would call it, and I went to deploy my awning, and there was a slight breeze, but it wasn't bad. But as I was deploying the awning, a breeze caught it and just flipped it over the roof and broke 3 hinges. And so I couldn't use my awning. And while I know that's a design to have the hinges break versus a pole bending, it just gets annoying because it really wasn't much of a breeze, and the awning was toast and I couldn't use it. So I ordered this Overland Vehicle Systems awning. It's a 180. I decided to move away from the 270 just because the tailgate on the 4Runner, how it lifts up, if there's a bar out there it could hit it, and I didn't want to deal with that. This one hits a little bit just on the right hand side of the tailgate. Damn bugs. But it's not bad, and this I can set up in a breeze and it's okay. I will use legs with it probably most of the time. Maybe. We'll see. I haven't used this out in camping yet. This will be my first time. I did deploy it in my driveway just to make sure that I could in fact do it. So that's why I switched. So far I'm impressed with this, but you never know. You gotta live with it for a while before you make a final decision. Maybe I'll make another review video or something down the line after I used it a few times. Anyways, let's get to deploying this thing. And remember, I've only deployed this once or twice in my driveway. So, first thing, I have to get the straps to hold the awning, and I'm just going to keep them back here. Hopefully this is where I put them, and this is in fact where I put them. Now, I ordered this awning off of eBay, and the place I ordered the awning from forgot to send a box, and that box includes these straps, and these straps are what hold it to the front and to the back. So without these straps I couldn't really set it up properly. So I ordered these off Amazon, just some cheap straps that were long enough, because they have to be rather long. I had some 6-footers at the house. They were too short, wouldn't work. So I ordered these, and these are 10-footers, I think, and they're bright neon green, so I shouldn't lose them. Anyways, let's get to deploying. Close this up. I'll just set this one on the hood, this one on the hood. Unzip this. What was nice about the Batwing is it had the case where you had the stakes and the guy ropes, whatever rope things you want to call them, for holding it down in that bag, and it was up here. This doesn't have that. Now I am going to be using some stakes and guy ropes that were with my Batwing because, like I said, the place I ordered this from didn't send that box with the guide ropes and stuff. So let's undo these 2 straps. And this is a little easier than in my driveway because my driveway was sloped, and so this just flopped open. Anyways, let's put this in here now. Pull this around. Glad I parked in the right spot. And to mount this top thing, I know you can't see me. I'm just going to put that there for now. Have to climb up here. I know you can't see me, but there's just a spot in my roof rack I'm going to cinch this to. And so I'm just going to leave this a little bit loose for now until I do the other side of it. It'd be really nice to be 6 feet tall. Although once it's deployed, it would be annoying to be 6 feet tall. So for this one, I do have to be concerned about the strap and the hatch. So what I do is I have a little eye hook that I installed on my rack, and I'm just going to attach that to this, and that's about the highest point I can go. I think actually I do see a spot that I may be able to go, so I'm going to go ahead and try a different spot right now. Climb up here. Don't use the ladder, of course, because that would make sense. And that's pretty high, or probably as high as I can get it. Anyways, that's that. Cinch that down. Come over here and cinch the front down. Excuse the heavy breathing. I'm old, fat, and out of shape. And really, that's that. And it's relatively sturdy now, but I wouldn't trust this kind of long term, especially since I'm expecting thunderstorms today. I'm gonna put the legs down. Put the legs down. It comes with 2 legs attached. It does come with 2 extra legs. It comes in a separate pouch. And so you can use those. So just put these where I want them. Lock those down. And done. Now what I'll do is there's a hook right here, and I'll use a guy rope or whatever they're called, tie down rope, I don't frickin' know, and I'll cinch this down to a stake over here, and that'll kind of give a slope for the rain to wash off. I might do the same over there. With the 2 extra poles, I could put them at the front and at the rear. I may or may not do that. We'll see. Anyways, that's the deploying the awning. Really quick and easy. I really like that. And I don't have to worry about a breeze coming in and taking my awning and breaking it. So I did order hinges for the Batwing, and I'll probably just sell that. Because certainly I'm never going to install it again. There you go. Simple as that. So like I said, I'll probably do a video after I use this quite a few times in the field and do a follow-up review. So right now, I'm very impressed and very happy with this. And this offers actually more shade on the side than my Batwing, because the Batwing used to come out from the front and go back this way. And so you kind of lost coverage over here. Now I have full coverage over here. So if it rains, when it rains today, I have a lot more floor space I can use to relax. Let me open the hatch and we'll see. I meant to actually bring some duct tape or something to protect the tailgate, but there's the hatch. Now I could put this up farther, but it does hit. You can't see that, but it does hit right here. In fact, I wish I brought my really good Gorilla tape with me so I can cover that and protect it. But I'll figure out something to protect that. There you go. Thanks for coming along.